Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a Mazda CX-5. You have factory fog lamps up front, a look down the passenger side. We're going to take a look inside at the cloth interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have dual point exhaust, a rear backup camera, and the CX-5 is all-wheel drive. Plenty of room here in the hatch area. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Audio, Bluetooth, and cruise mounted here. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo. Climate control and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Mazda on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck, all at holidayautomotive.com.